Alright people, this is how you make wasabi. The kind of wasabi they make in restaurants. You know, when you're like order your sushi and there's a big pile of green like blob of like the stuff that like makes your eyes water and just makes your head like explode. Yeah, that stuff, okay? Now, there's this stuff that's in a tube, and as you can see, it basically looks like, I don't know, snail trails or something. You know, it's what this is ground up horseradish with food coloring in it, okay? And that's what 95% of wasabi that you're going to see in the United States apparently is. So the real stuff comes from, well, this comes from like the Asian market, and it's this brand's Kaneko wasabi. So yeah, it comes in a powder form like this. See? And looks like powdered sugar. In fact, when I opened this can, it's sealed with foil for freshness, and it popped out all over my Savannah Smiles. And if you know anything about Savannah Smiles, they're lemon cookies that are covered in powdered sugar. So could you imagine like a lemon cookie covered in, I don't know, maybe that would be good. So maybe that's the next flavor for Girl Scouts. Anyway, that's a little bit off the topic. So what you do is, here's how you make it. It's super simple and easy, but this is the real stuff. So you take a level tablespoon, or it doesn't matter how much. Okay, I'm going to use a tablespoon, which is a lot, in order to illustrate this point. But you take equal parts of the dry powder and cold water. Okay, so we're going to use cold. Actually, that's room temperature. So I'm going to go to the faucet. I'm sure you all have a faucet, and it's equal parts of that and cold water. So here's cold water, and then you can take a spoon and just mix this up. So you could take a whisk if you wanted, but like a spoon works just fine. And you just mix it up until it starts to get that pasty, lumpy consistency that we all know and love from the sushi restaurants. And what this is going to do is it's going to take, it's going to start taking on the form that you're used to seeing. But what's going to happen is you're going to let this set. Ooh, my eyes are already watering. So you're going to let this set, and when it sets, it takes about 15 minutes to set. Once this sets, it's going to get hotter. So right now it's pretty hot, but after it gets exposed to the air, you know, I don't know the science behind it, but something happens where the optimal range for getting the heat is 15 minutes to 45 minutes. After about 45 minutes, it starts to lose its zip. Have you ever taken some of the big wad of this home, like from the restaurant, in your little, where I don't even know if I have one of the paper to-go containers, and then you try it the next day and it's not quite as hot? That's why it starts to lose it. But anyway, this is how you fix that. And actually, I'm starting to realize that equal parts might not be right. It's actually a little bit less water. See, and as it starts to dry, it starts to get more of that fun kind of consistency. You can sort of see it right there. It's starting to dry out a little bit. Oh my eyes are watering. So only been a couple minutes, but oh, woo, yeah, that's it. All right, so oh my god, so that's real wasabi as opposed to this fake horseradish that's colored green. And that's all you have to do. So you can get this at the Asian market. I haven't seen it in the supermarkets in my town, but you can probably find this online too. And this was like $5, less than $5. And look how much you get. This is going to last me forever. I barely used a tablespoon. And this, I don't know, this has lasted for a while too, but it's just not the same. So, there you go. Well, if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel and help me, and throw it a like. I appreciate your time. Take care and enjoy your wasabi.